Hey ladies, it's Wendy from Fabulous Finds. Wanted to talk to you about a few things really quick. I wanted to talk about co-op fees. Now, co-op fees are something that's going to be on every single order that you place. It's going to be a $3 co-op fee. That co-op fee pays Sam and I for the work that we do, sorting orders, tracking orders, paying for the orders, looking for things to buy, those kinds of things. So that's what the $3 co-op fee is for. Then there's also going to be a shipping charge for most of the orders. If there's not a shipping fee, then we're going to put free shipping on the folder itself for the buy. Otherwise, just assume that there's a shipping fee. If you're kind of concerned of how much it is, then ask Sam. But normally it's not more than about $2.50 because we take the total shipping fee and we divide it out amongst all the people that are purchasing. So it's usually not more than about $3 shipping, which is a pretty good deal considering Zappos or anywhere like that. It's going to charge you $5 to $10 shipping. So it's a good deal. Also, we're going to be charging sales tax. Sam has to pay quarterly sales tax for everything. So we're going to be charging those sales tax fees. It's Texas sales tax, so it's 8.25%, which isn't bad at all. So you're going to have the sales tax fee. Now, also know that we need you guys to pay your order, your invoice as soon as you can. We have people that are waiting for their orders and we don't want to hold that up. But if you placed an order and you get the invoice and you see that it's a little higher than you expected it to be, ask Sam about it. She's happy to explain it to you. And if you don't pay your invoice, that means we're going to have to cancel your order and we'll have to remove you from the group. We don't want to remove anybody from the group, so we really would like for y'all to pay your orders just as soon as possible. If something comes up and you're not able to pay, or you figured out that you just had a little expense that came up and you're going to have to wait till next pay period to pay, let Sam know. We can probably work something out. Just know she's going to be using her personal funds to float your order. So let's be respectful of that and let's be respectful of each other. Also, the other thing I wanted to ask you to do is that if you get an item in and you just love it, I did it with the lunchbox, I did it with the cuff bracelet. I haven't done it with this yet. This necklace. I've got a couple of necklaces that I really like that I'm going to be taking pictures of, but I'd love for you to take pictures, post them in the website, post them on the Facebook page, and let us see what you got. Let us see how much you love it. Maybe we can offer it again. That cuff bracelet that I got sold out, so we weren't able to offer it again. But just check it out and let us know. I got this necklace, which is absolutely adorable. It's got 2 chains on it. This one chain is twisted, and then I was so happy to see that it has a gem on top of it to kind of give it some extra shine and sparkle. And then of course this filigree, gold filigree piece is really, really cute. So I love long necklaces. So if you're seeing long necklaces, it's because I'm picking them out because I absolutely love the long necklaces. Let us know what you want. Let us know what you want us to see if we can find a good deal on. And we're going to keep posting and we're going to keep shopping for you guys. I know that I'm ordering something from every single shop too. So Sam and I are really, really excited about it. So thanks so much. Keep shopping. Keep adding your friends, because the more friends you have, the more people we have in the group, the easier it'll be for us to make those clothing buys, because with the clothing buys, we have to buy 6 of each item, 6 of each size. So that's why some of those aren't making, is because we're not getting the sizes that we need. So let's get it done, and we'll just keep shopping and keep having a great time. You ladies have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you on the flip side.